In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password protected page in Weebly. If you want to limit access to a specific page on your website, Weebly makes the process pretty simple. This is especially useful if you're sharing private content, member-only information, or anything you don't want visible to every visitor. I'll walk you through the exact process from logging in to publishing the change live on your site. To begin, log into your Weebly account. Make sure you're signed into the correct website if you manage more than one, since the changes you make will apply only to the site you open. Once you're in your dashboard, click Edit Site. This will open the Weebly editor, where you can manage your website's layout, content, and page settings. After the editor loads, click on Pages. You'll usually find this in the top navigation area of the editor. The Pages section is where you control individual page settings, including names, URLs, and visibility options. Next, choose the page you want to lock from the left sidebar. Be careful to select the correct page because the password protection will apply only to the page you're editing. If you have several similar page names, it's a good idea to double check before moving on. With the page selected, click on Visibility. This setting controls who can access the page and how it appears to visitors. Now select password protected or site password depending on the option shown in your version of Weebly. This tells Weebly that the page should no longer be freely accessible to everyone. Instead, visitors will need a password before they can view the content. After that, type your secret code into the password box. Choose a password that's easy for the right people to use but not too obvious. If you plan to share access with clients, team members, or a private audience, make sure you send the password securely. Once the password is entered, click Save and then hit Publish to update your live website. Saving stores the setting inside the editor, but publishing is what makes the change visible on the actual site. If you skip publishing, the page may not be protected for visitors yet. After publishing, it's a smart idea to test the page yourself. Open the live page in a private or incognito browser window and confirm that the password prompt appears as expected. That way you can make sure everything is working correctly before sharing the page with others. And that's how to create a password protected page in Weebly.